Hi everyone, this is Ken with Healtheir Home Products. Hi Corey, I know you're not with me, but you're always with me. Today we're going to talk about some outdoor stuff, and this is the season for this area is getting close to fall. And with fall, you tend to get things cleaned up on the outside of the home, and we're going to talk about upwards. We're doing the cleaning with gutters. Everybody talks about cleaning the inside of gutters. If you've got trees, you're going to get leaves falling. You're going to get things that are going to clog the gutters. That's certainly one thing that has to take place that we're going to talk about in another segment. But on the outside, you get, if you can come up here a little bit, you're going to get contaminated runoff, and you're going to get organic growth on those gutters. And the problem with this is it electrostatically bonds to aluminum, and it makes it really, really difficult to clean. But we're going to show a product that is a bleach-free, acid-free alternative, and it's our Healtheir Home World's Best Siding and Gutter Cleaner that breaks that electromagnetic bond with that contaminated runoff that shows up as black streaks or organic growth, and it allows for a wiping of a cleaning and a little rinse, and you're going to see a tremendous before and after. And along with this solution, I'm going to come back up here a little bit. Typically people, when they're talking about cleaning gutters, they're on ladders, but there's a word of warning here, because there's over 500,000 ladder falls a year and over 300 deaths from those falls. And I happen to know somebody who did die. I know somebody who also broke a leg falling off a ladder, and there was no drinking involved. But it is true, these things do happen. So we invented a tool specifically for this task, and this is what we call a gutter smop. It is part sponge, part mop. It's got a soft sponge underneath these giant microfiber noodles that helps conform, because a gutter has got an unusual shape. They'll call them K-style gutters. It's got an unusual shape that doesn't really play well to cleaning. It's very difficult to get in there, but this helps conform to those gutter shapes and allow for some mechanical back and forth action. In addition to that, the nice thing about these tools is you could extend the pole. This thing will go up to 20 feet, which gets you way up high, and again keeps you off that ladder. So without further ado, we're going to show you, this is first of all, this is a friend who showed me a home in his area that has been severely neglected. This is not 1 year of buildup, this is several years of buildup. This is a very nasty situation, but we're going to show you what this product will do on something like this, and the before and after, which is pretty impressive. So we're just going to dip this tool in and clean a section and show you. So you can work with that tool. It'll get up around even those top edges of the gutter, and again it will conform to that K-shaped style very easily. And not that you don't have to, but you could use that edge as well, and you can even get underneath and clean that simple. So after that, you could either use a rinse bucket with another smop, or simply hose it off. Now that's as simple as it is. I mean, you're going to go from something that really looks pretty much of an eyesore as you look at it, but it's going to look like a teeth whitening for your home. That's what we actually say about this. So we're going to do a little cleaning and show you the after when we're all done. Shouldn't take too long, about 20 minutes we should have this knocked out. Okay, there you go. Within 10 minutes, we went from horrible contaminated runoff, electromagnetically bonded contamination, to crystal clear white shiny gutters.